Cylindrical profiling with disc is a brand new 3D machining command designed for parts that are suited to machining on a rotary fourth axis or lathe axis. It uses a vertical saw, grinding disc or finishing disc, and can be used in the wood and stone industries where these types of tools can remove material quickly and efficiently. The new toolpath can be found under 3D machining. Select the new type called fourth axis rotary part machining, then choose the new strategy called cylindrical profiling with disc. There are settings for selecting the axis direction and angle of approach, along with an option to flip the head side. Lead in and out settings are available, as well as parameters for linking toolpaths when stepping over. You can also choose to create a continuous helical toolpath instead of stepping over, which is usually the most efficient option because the tool maintains engagement with the material throughout the process rather than stepping over and retracting. There's also pick commands for selecting the points between which you want to create a toolpath. The new toolpath can be used both for finishing processes and for rapid material removal to create the rough shape ready to be completed with later finishing processes.